Melons, melons, who loves melons? I do. And that's why we're going to show you how to make a Skyy Melonade. A Skyy Melonade is made with Skyy melon, which is a unique blend of watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew. And you've never tasted a mouthful of melons quite like this. And once you have, you may never want anything else again. Now, to make a Skyy Melonade, you're going to need the following ingredients: a martini glass, some Skyy melon, some grenadine, an orange, and some pineapple juice. And this is the part where I tap out and hand it over to my main man.
Alrighty then. First thing you want to do is chill down your martini glass with some ice.
And this is an important step because a Skyy Melonade is a dish best served cold.
And fill your mixing glass full of ice. About 4 count, 2 ounces of the Skyy melon.
If you're going old school, that's 2 fingers.
Next is another half of pineapple juice.
Now if that's too hard for you to remember, just remember equal parts Skyy melon and pineapple juice.
And take your mixing cup, tap it on top, start shaking it, dump your ice at the same time. Give it a little pop and strain into your cocktail glass. And the nice finish on this drink is a little bit of grenadine. And it sinks right to the bottom and kind of gives it a nice little cherry drop.
Kind of like you,
Yeah.
a little cherry drop.
The final thing is a little orange wedge and serve.
And bada bing, bada boom, a cold but perky Skyy Melonade.